Thanks, VIT Vellore, for this opportunity. I am grateful to you and thankful to you that you care for your students so much, that you've organized this very, very important conversation today. I came across some data which I want to share with all of you. All right, listen to this data very, very carefully. Life changing. I recently ran a poll and I asked a question. What would you prefer if given a choice, job or own business? And I asked this, some 25,000 plus people participated and they voted. And guess what? About 81% of the people, students like you all, voted for own job. Okay, that doesn't come as a surprise, I know. So the interesting thing is that most of us want to run our own business at some point of time, if not immediately. The good news is that so many people are wanting to start their own business. That's really good news, and I was very happy to get that poll result. The bad news is that according to a recent IBM Institute study, which they concluded in May 2021, so it's fresh out of the oven, okay? Recent study. They found that 90% plus startups fail. 90% plus startups fail. Okay, that's the bad news. I will give you one other data. Again, a recent study, worldwide study. And the data says that 43% of the world's wealth, okay, is held by how many percent people? 1%. 1% population on this planet. Yes, Darsh, you're absolutely right. 1% people on the planet are holding 43% of the Earth's wealth. Okay, which means, again, the same research further elaborated that the 90%, the rest of all of us, me included, all of you included, 90% of us, the total world's population, are holding only 16% of the world's wealth. Okay. So, what is it that the 1% know that the 90% don't? Interesting question, isn't it? What is it that they know? And the research goes on to say that the rich are getting richer. Okay, so surely they know something about wealth. Surely they know something about money that we don't know. So the bottom line is, why am I sharing this data with you is because if so many of you would want to start your own business, or whether you decide to go in a job, irrespective of that, you will need three things. You will need education. Okay, you have some education to start in the job or the business, which your colleges are taking care of. So be very serious. My suggestion is take the studies very, very seriously. Soak in as much as you can, study as much as you can, important information. You will need this to find a job. Okay. Once you get a job, then you will need two things: emotional quotient and financial quotient. And these are the reasons why 90% of the startups fail, because they have the IQ. The entrepreneurs have the IQ, they have the knowledge, they have the wisdom, they have the information. There is a demand in the market, but either they're lacking in EQ or they're lacking in FQ. Now, FQ, financial quotient, is not taught anywhere on the planet.